Hey, my beauties, T the hair doctor here, getting ready to do a quick silk press on my beautiful client. As you can see, she has really beautiful thick hair. So I'm basically right now just detangling it. It's really tight, so it's like a 4C texture. So I'm just detangling it. You always want to detangle the hair first before you do any process. I'm going to detangle it and do like 4 sections to blow dry it out that way. And I will be using my Chi Silken Serum to make the process much easier and smoother. So yes, thank you guys for chiming in. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on those post notification bells and show me some love, you guys. T the hair doctor. Later. Okay guys, so each time I take one of my sections down, I will use like a dime size of the Chi Silk Infusion. It actually just helps the blow dry process much smoother while locking in that silk to make sure the hair does not fuzz up, but it definitely helps to detangle and make your blow dry process much smoother. So I recommend you, like if you're doing a silk press, use like a dime size each time you section your hair off to get ready to blow dry each section. Put you a small amount into the palm of your hand and work it to like the ends of the hair. That way the blow dry process is much smoother. The key to a beautiful silk press is make sure you are sectioning the hair in small sections as well. You don't want chunky pieces. Make sure you take your time and make small pieces. That way that hair is silking out good. You're locking in that heat to make sure that the hair does not revert as soon as you leave out of the salon. So make sure you're parting small and take your time so your client is satisfied and happy, and her silk press will not revert as soon as she leaves the salon. when you have smaller sections, you don't have to keep going over that section over and over with the flat iron. So that's another benefit of making small sections. You do not have to keep going over that one piece of hair with the flat iron. It's one easy stroke and you're done, instead of putting so much heat on the hair going over and over with that flat iron. Y'all, look at that beautiful shine on that hair. Yes. No extra products on it. That's just her natural shine. So beautiful. Come through, hair. Yes.